Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and you have seen the earlier videos of this chapter. Now in this part we are going to see the different types of cells, that is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Observe the diagram carefully. Here you can see that inside you cannot see any different nucleus, right? This region, undefined nuclear region, it is known as the nucleoid, and it contains the DNA and also the chromatin material. Now here no nuclear membrane is there, or no nucleolus is can be seen. It has a few parts, ribosomes you can see, then there is a flagellum on the outer surface, plasma membrane, cell wall, and only a few structures can be seen here. Now such a type of cell is known as prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus, primitive type of nucleus where no nuclear membrane is present. Okay, so this type of cell is known as a prokaryotic cell. Here the chromosome is, now it is in the form of chromatid material. Ribosome can be seen, but other membrane bound organelles are absent in this, or if present they do not have their own membrane, they simply lie in the cytoplasm. Whereas in this eukaryotic, U means new type or advanced type of cell. You can see different membrane bound cell organelles, definite membrane bound cell organelles are present. You can even identify these organelles by now. This is the Golgi body, mitochondria, ribosomes, right? And there is a distinct nucleus here with nucleolus in the center, endoplasmic reticulum, right? So this is a eukaryotic cell. Now in the next slide we'll see the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cells very minute in size, generally they are small in size, and eukaryotic fairly large in size. Their size is bigger than these cells. Nuclear region, nucleoid, not surrounded by nuclear membrane. It does not contain any nuclear membrane. Here the nuclear material is surrounded by nuclear membrane. Single chromosome present, more than one chromosome present, right? Nucleolus absent, nucleolus present. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent, membrane bound cell organelles are present. Cell division by fission or budding, no mitosis. You have studied about this, mitosis, meiosis. Here the cell division takes place by mitosis or meiosis. Here only the division of cells take place by budding or fission. Like amoeba or hydra, how they reproduce, all of you know. Examples of this, some bacteria and blue-green algae, they contain prokaryotic type of cell, and the higher animals and plants, they contain eukaryotic type of cell. Okay. So this is all about this chapter, the fundamental unit of life, right? So solve the exercise, and if you come across any difficulty, you can contact me. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.